The world is constantly moving towards greater efficiency. We often struggle to predict tomorrow's weather. But standards of living are increasing. People expect all of their services to be constantly available. Expectations will continue to rise, and we need a way to handle these growing demands. People want their roads, pavements, and parking lots cleared when they need them. And now, the challenge to remove snow and ice efficiently is greater than ever before. In the winter maintenance industry, this means a higher workload and more customers per unit. As the units themselves become smaller, we need to keep track of our expenses a lot closer than before. We need to be considerate towards the environment. We need to provide safer and more efficient services. And most of all, we have to save money. What you need to meet these demands is equipment that makes your business flexible, efficient, and ready to react at a moment's notice. We're specialized in manufacturing snowplows, spreaders, sprayers, and pressure washers for light pickups, tractors, and up to full-size trucks for highway use. Our state-of-the-art factory in Pietarsaari, Finland offers in-house engineering capabilities, ranging from conceptual design development through manufacturing and assembly to quality control and after-sales support. We're committed to all processes associated with the delivery of our product and are proud that a majority of our components are fabricated in-house and from a trusted local supply chain. With the help of our subsidiaries in Germany and North America, we distribute our products to over 40 countries worldwide and are the market leader of our application range in Europe. In Finland, we have snow for 6 months out of the year. We truly know the winter maintenance industry. Hilltip, leading the revolution in winter road maintenance.